Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Flappy Bird on a calculator. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from preparing your device to actually flapping your way through pipes. It's a fun way to bring a classic mobile game to a different kind of screen. We will cover everything you need to know to get started, ensuring you can enjoy this engaging game on your handheld device. Before we begin, let's talk about compatibility. Many graphing calculators, especially the Texas Instruments TI-83 Plus and TI-84 Plus series, can run games like Flappy Bird. You will also need a USB mini cable to link your calculator to a computer. Make sure your device has sufficient memory, usually just a few kilobytes, to store the game file. Checking these details first saves a lot of time. Now let's get the game onto your calculator. First, download the Flappy Bird game file, which typically has an 8xb or 8xk extension from a reliable online source. Next, install the TI Connect CE software on your computer. This program is essential for managing files on your calculator. Finally, connect your calculator using the USB cable and use the TI Connect CE software to transfer the downloaded game file directly to your device. It's a straightforward process. With the game installed, it's time to play. Go to the Apps or PRGM menu on your calculator and select the Flappy Bird program to start. The controls are simple. You will typically press a single key, like Enter or Graph, to make your bird flap its wings and ascend. The goal is to time your flaps perfectly to navigate through the gaps in the pipes. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying for that high score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.